In English, there are many different ways that we can use the word very. Here are some examples. Instead of saying very beautiful, you can use these words. Gorgeous, stunning, ravishing. Very angry, you can also say furious, irate, incensed. Very loud, deafening, ear-splitting, thunderous. Some words you can say for very tired, exhausted, fatigued, weary. Very happy, ecstatic, elated, euphoric. Some words you can say for very sad, despondent, depressed. Some words for very confused, perplexed, confounded, baffled. And some words for very big, massive, colossal, gigantic.